There's a legal cheat code that makes money tax-free. They printed it in the rulebook and prayed you'd never read it. Spoiler: you didn't, because reading is hard and TikTok is easy. Listen up, you tax-donating 3 moves the government hopes you never learn. This is not advice. This is a rescue mission. Move 1, the Roth. Roth IRA. You pay tax on the money once today. Then it grows for 30 years and comes out completely tax-free. The growth, the gains, all of it, legally. $7 grand a year. That's the limit. And most of you contribute 0 while paying 12% interest on a couch. A couch. Sign, seal, rich. Move 2. The 401k match. Your employer offers free salary if you save, 100% instant return, and half of you leave it on the table like a gym flyer. Turning down the match is the dumbest financial decision in America. Your job matches 4%. You contribute 0. You gave yourself a pay cut. Genius. You did that. Move 3. The triple threat. The HSA. Money goes in untaxed, grows untaxed, comes out untaxed for medical costs. The only triple tax-free account in existence. The IRS hates it like I hate coach seats. In, growth, out, untouched. None of this is a billionaire loophole. These are public rules for regular paychecks. The rich just actually read them. That's the whole conspiracy. We read. Homework time. Tonight, open a Roth. Set the 401k to at least the match. Check if your health plan is HSA eligible. 90 minutes of effort. Decades of tax-free money. Or keep tipping the government 30% for nothing. They'll spend it better than you anyway. Actually, no, they won't. Read the rules. Rob them legally. You're welcome, peasants. Get